Engine and Accessory offers a full line of quality tank trucks serving the waste oil industry. Whether collecting oil from a small auto repair facility to a large industrial plant, we offer a tank and system for all your hauling needs. These custom-designed tank trucks are carefully engineered and assembled based on each customer's unique business demands. Engine and Accessory has your turnkey, affordable tank truck solution from design to manufacturing to customer support. Our custom-built waste oil trucks are constructed from a bright finish aluminum or stainless steel. The tank capacity ranges from 500 to 5,000 gallons in a single or multiple compartments. Give us a call for more information at 305-573-2268.